Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to use fresh ginger to support healthy hair growth naturally. Ginger is rich in natural antioxidants and contains active compound that helps stimulate blood circulation on the scalp. Good circulation helps nourish the hair roots and support healthy hair growth. It also helps reduce scalp buildup and dandruff. Start by washing the ginger. You can peel out the skin if you prefer. Then you blend. If you don't have a blender, you can grate it. Fresh ginger releases natural juice, which is what we need for the scalp. After blending, squeeze out the juice using a clean cloth or a strainer. This liquid is what you will apply directly to your scalp. Ginger juice helps stimulate the hair follicles and may reduce hair breakage over time. Apply directly to your scalp, not just the hair strand. Massage gently for a few minutes to allow it absorb properly. Always do a patch test first, because ginger can be strong on sensitive scalp or skin. Use this treatment once or twice a week for best result. With regular use, you might notice a healthier scalp and a stronger hair. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.